My name is Shreya Patrude, and today I am going to present my mini project titled STM32 Keypad and LCD Interfacing System. The aim of this project is to take a user input from a 4x4 matrix keypad and display it on a 16:2 I2C LCD using microcontroller. For simulation purposes, I have used Arduino in WOKWI because STM32 simulation is not fully supported there. However, the working and the logic are identical to the STM32 implementation. The main objective is to demonstrate how a microcontroller can handle user input and output display through efficient communication protocol. The component that are required to implement this can be the component used are microcontroller, 4x4 matrix keypad, 16:2 I2C LCD, connecting wire and breadboard for circuit setup. The STM32 microcontroller is based on ARM Cortex-M4 which support GPIO and I2C peripherals. GPIO pins are used to scan the keyboard, I2C is used to send data and LCD using two lines SD and SCL. However, since WOKWI doesn't support STM32 board, I have demonstrated the same concept using Arduino Uno which uses GPIO and I2C in the same flow. Let's take a look at the simulation I have made. Okay, here the keypad is arranged as a 4x4 matrix with 16 keys. When a button is pressed, one specific row and column get connected. The microcontroller scans each row and reads which column goes high to detect which key is pressed. The detected key value is to send to the LCD through the I2C communication line. The LCD displays the character or message instantly. Let's look at the circuit in the simulation. This circuit, the I2C LCD has 4 pins: VCC, ground, SDA and SCL. VCC and ground are connected to 5 volt and ground of Arduino. SDA is connected to A4 and SCL to A5 on the Arduino board. These same lines correspond to PB9 and PB8, that is SDA and SCL respectively in the configuration. The connection are simple and the setups allows to two-wire communication between the microcontroller and the LCD. Now let's look at the code running in WOKWI. I have included the liquid crystal underscore I2C.h library at the top. Here you can see it. This library helps in controlling the LCD through I2C. Then I have defined the I2C address, number of LCD column and line. Here you can see here the I2C is defined rows, columns and the key matrix that we are using in this setup. In the setup function, I have initialized the serial monitor and the LCD. The LCD backlight is turned on and the text is displayed on different line using LCD set cursor and LCD print. So now in the simulation you can see the here when I start the simulation, if I press the key 3, it is successfully displayed on the LCD display. If I click 5, 6, 9, okay 0, it is displaying successfully. If this were in full in a STM32 version, each key pressed from the keyboard will be detected and displayed immediately on the LCD screen. This verifies that I2C communication is working properly on that LCD response in real time. So overall, I have explained all the things related to it. To conclude, this project successfully demonstrated interfacing 4x4 matrix and 16:2 I2C LCD with the microcontroller. I have learned about GPIO pin configuration, matrix keypad scanning, I2C communication using Arduino and testing in Arduino simulation. The same concept can be applied for generating also password and log system calculators, menu-driven embedded system. So that's all. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this demo gave a clear understanding of the keypad and LCD interfacing using STM32 and how I tested it using Arduino in WOKWI simulation. So thank you. That's clear.